Hi there, Sophia here. Today's video is all about the trip that we took to Northern California to celebrate our anniversary. And I wanted to show you how I was able to put some looks together and still travel with one carry-on and one kind of duffel bag type carry-on. So I basically didn't check in any baggage. The challenge was to try to color coordinate and pack also for cooler weather and warmer weather, because we flew into San Francisco and then from there we rented a car and we had a lot of traveling in mind for a week. We visited some friends in San Rafael and the Santa Rosa area as well. We drove from there all the way up to Mendocino. We went to the Napa Valley, we went to Sonoma. We just loved it. So I wanted different outfits. I wanted something casual because, you know, California is more of a casual vibe. So I did bring some denim with me, but I also wanted something that would be easily fixed as far as if I was going from a casual look to maybe more of a dressy look that evening. So first of all, I'll show you my travel outfit. We took an all-nighter, and I always get really cold on airplanes, especially at night. And I knew when we were arriving it was going to be cold because I had checked, well, cool. I had checked the weather and it was going to be low 60s. So I wanted a jacket, a nice warm all-weather jacket, because many times it rains in San Francisco, so you never know. So this is what I flew out in. This is just a very simple little cotton turtleneck, kind of very soft cotton, so it was super comfy. This was my jacket, and it is just a slim cut all-weather jacket, and I wore it with my Ponte pants. These are my travel pants. I love these pants. I would prefer to travel in these than jeans. They're kind of like skinny pants. They have an elastic waistband. I think they're Ellen Tracy. Super comfortable, and they're that deep black that's so flattering. I just wore them with this. And the travel bag that I usually take is, this is it. It's my favorite, and the reason I love it so much is because it has two sections that are very practical. It has the zipper in the middle, and then it has an area in the back where I usually put in my eye mask if it's a night flight, and my cashmere throw. Even if it's summer, I can just roll this and put it behind my neck like a little pillow, and it's super comfortable. But that tucks into one side of my purse. In the other side, I put my iPad for reading or working, and then it just kind of clicks over. It's lightweight, it's easy to travel with because it has a shoulder strap. It can be crossbody, or I can just carry it like this. So this was one of two bags that I brought. That's it. I was very, very strict with myself because I didn't want to get frivolous and try to add more things for different looks. Black is basic, and it went beautifully with everything that I brought. The other jacket I brought, which was a great find, I bought this last year, and I knew that it would be perfect for coming trips or something, and I knew that bling was going to be looking nice with the distressed look, and I just love this jacket. It's my BB. It has the pearls down the front. It's short. It has a lovely little cuff that's distressed at the ends. It has a beautiful kind of princess cut, which is very flattering and slimming, and it's just the cutest thing, and it's really pretty open. It also looks great just kind of thrown over your shoulders if it's, you know, one of those evenings that you just want to have a little something around you. It also can be buttoned up. I did wear it both ways because it did get chilly, so I wore this with, I'll show you what I brought for it. I kept things very basic, but this had so much going for it, so much bling and everything that I figured that was plenty. I brought two pairs of shoes for my denim looks. The first were the walking ones, which are my Bionica sandals. These are so comfortable. They're beautiful. They kind of have like a little denim look. They hug my arch. They're very, very comfortable. Perfect walking shoes. I also brought these for evening. These are my cute little kitten heels. They are by Nine West. And as you see, the distressed denim looks really cute with this. So I wore that with my jeans. These are fabulous jeans. I picked these up at H&M on one of my trips to New York in the spring, and I just fell in love with these jeans. They are so comfortable. Well, you know, now For a long time it was a no-no to wear denim on denim, but now it's in style again, and it looked great with this jacket, and I paired it on different occasions with different tops. This gauzy white shirt tied at the front. This is one of my favorite blouses. I would just half tuck it or tie it, and then wear the little denim jacket over it, or wear it without it, roll up the sleeves if it was hot that day. But it's so cool and gauzy. This blouse also is very pretty with this necklace and these jeans, which I paired it up as well. Embroidered jeans. This is a really cute look. I tied it in the front, and the embroidery just goes down one leg, and they're kind of stretched. They're very comfortable. I think I showed them in another video when I bought them because I just love these. The make is Sandpiper, and they're great, and they're super comfortable, and they just gave a little pop of something, you know, a little pop of color. And the other handbag that I brought was this Kate Spade red one, which I just love. It's a perfect size, and it fits also if I want to stick something in here like my iPad. I was taking lots of pictures and filming with my iPad because the camera is amazing on that. And the other things that I brought were these tops. I just took this plain cotton, really soft t-shirty one. It was perfect. It was so soft to be in the car and travel with this. Looked great with denim, and it also looked great with all my black and white look that I was going for. And the other black and white thing that I brought was this, my little kind of cigarette pants. These are really cute. They have a very cute trim at the bottom of them. I love these, and I wore these with this top on a few occasions. This is just one of those, has a slit down the side and kind of these loops. And I wore this with big silver earrings. It was very cute together. And for shoes, for those, I brought my little kitten heel shoes for evening. And then for daytime, I actually traveled in these shoes. And these shoes are a dream. I wish they still had them. They don't. They have them in regular leather, but these patent leather are just beautiful. They're so comfortable. They're all cushion. Fit Flop is the make. They pulled every outfit together. They look so cute with everything, and I could just walk miles in them. I'm going to put a picture and show you one of the outfits that I paired this with. I also brought, I figured, let me have a little bit of everything. So I brought these white skinny pants, and then I brought my little vest, my little quilty vest, and my Ralph Lauren gingham top. It's just a button down, but it's so cute with this. And then what I did was I wore them with my sandals, or like if, let's say, the day started off cool. So I had this on. I still wore my sandals because if I knew it was going to go up to 80, I was going to want something less confining than a loafer. So I brought these sandals, and I just kept them in the car, so I would slip out of my loafers and put these on. That's the advantage of having a rental, because you can just have it in your car, and if your feet get hot or you just want to change the sole if you're walking a lot, which we did because we went to Napa and we toured the wineries, this was perfect. I also brought, it's just open on the sides there. It's very pretty on the arm. It's nice and cool, gauzy. I wore this with the jeans and with these shoes. It's the perfect match. It went really cute together. And the sunglasses or accessories that I brought, I only brought two. It was very good. For any of my denim looks, I wore my Quay Australia mirrored ones. And for any of my black and white, I wore my favorite Miu Miu cat eyeglasses that I bought last year. I just love these. I got these at Saks Off Fifth, and they are perfect. They went great with all my black and white. They're lightweight, and they were just nice and blocking all the sun, because we did have, even if it's Southern California or Northern California, we did have some very sunny days. We really lucked out with that. We also lucked out that we weren't there during the fires, which was so tragic. And we saw so much of that area on our travels, so we really felt for everyone that was going through that at that time. The thing I wanted to show you was just this hat. I just brought one hat, my regular straw hat, which is fantastic with everything. I've been so happy to buy this without anything on it because, you know, I could put any bandana. I actually didn't bring it, but I had a really cute red and ivory bandana, kind of like a Western looking one that I tied around here for when I would wear my red purse and my other kind of black and white outfits. So that's it actually for this trip. Everything fit. My husband was so impressed. We both went with carry-ons. It reminded me of the first trip we ever took to Europe together. At that time, we took a month trip, graduated from college, and I had to go with one little suitcase, and I was able to get everything into it, and that was just the beginning of my love of traveling. So I hope you enjoyed this video and maybe got some ideas, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. If you're already a subscriber, thank you so much. I've got more videos coming up, and I will see you on the next one. Bye now.